My name is Sarah Hunstead. I'm a paediatric nurse, author and founder of CPR Kids. And if your child is faced with an asthma emergency, always use the Kids First Aid for Asthma guidelines from the National Asthma Council of Australia. Firstly, sit your child up, either on your lap or on a chair. Keep them calm and reassure them. Next, we need to give 4 puffs of their reliever medication. Shake. Remove the lid. Always use a spacer. Ensure that they have a good seal around their nose and mouth. And in between each puff, allow your child to have 4 to 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait 4 minutes. If your child is still having difficulty breathing, call 000 ambulance immediately. Advise the operator that your child is having an asthma attack. Continue on with the 4 separate puffs of their reliever medication with 4 to 6 breaths in between every 4 minutes until the ambulance arrives.